Hi, it's Dave from DBeaver. In this video, you'll learn how to download and install DBeaver on macOS, Windows, and Linux. The process is the same for all DBeaver Pro desktop products. But here we'll be using DBeaver Enterprise as an example. It is the most popular version among our users. To learn how to download DBeaver Community, follow the link in the description. Let's start by opening the product section of the DBeaver.com website menu. Here you can choose between the different editions from DBeaver's product lineup. Click on the DBeaver Enterprise option. In the top right corner of the page, you can click on the download button to quickly scroll to the needed section. Here you can see all the operating systems supported by DBeaver: Windows x86 and ARM, Mac OS on Intel or Silicon processors, and the most popular Linux distributions. Additionally, you can install DBeaver Enterprise as an Eclipse plugin. If you need additional help with installation, you can find the link to the installation instructions right under the download buttons. On the right side of the page, you can see links to the archived versions and earlier versions of DBeaver. Remember that it's not recommended to use earlier versions in production, as we cannot guarantee their stability. Now, let's walk through the downloading and installation process for macOS, Windows, and Linux. Whenever possible, DBeaver.com detects the operating system you're using and suggests the most appropriate download option. Let's click the download button to get the DMG package for Mac OS Silicon. When the download completes, open the DMG file you received. All you need to do is review the EULA, click Agree, and drag and drop DBeaver Enterprise to the application folder. That's it. You have your DBeaver ready to use. Let's move to the Windows installation. The first step is the same. You need to download an exe file for your Windows version. Then, open the file, and you'll see the installation wizard. Don't forget to read the license agreement, and then the wizard will walk you through a few standard installation steps. After the component step, you can check or uncheck the options you need. We recommend that you keep the Add Microsoft Defender exclusion box enabled, as Defender's checks can significantly affect the application's performance. Choose the installation path, then proceed with the installation. When everything is completed successfully, you can create a desktop shortcut if you wish. And finally, let's take a look at the same process for Linux. In our case, we use the Fedora distribution and download the RPM package. You can download it directly as we did for macOS and Windows, but we'll show you how to do it with a CLI tool called wget. Copy the link to the package, open your terminal, type wget, and insert the link. Press enter and the download will start. To install the downloaded package, type sudo dnf install and the package's name. Review the app size and type Y to confirm the space usage. That's it. Now you know how to install DBeaver Pro desktop apps on macOS, Windows, and Linux. If you still have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments under this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.